Namaste and welcome to Simply Kaushiki. Today we are diving into the heart of Durga Puja in Kolkata. This festival has always been so special to me, and this year my in law's family added even more charm to it. You'll see the essence of pandal hopping and trying some local delicacies, which includes puchka. But we will begin with my sister in law's family fish recipe, which is mustard posto dahi fish. The key to this recipe is using fresh fish, typically rohu or katla, but you can use any firm fish. We'll start by marinating the fish in little turmeric and salt, and then we will fry it in mustard oil. We will fry the fish till it's light golden, and we will make a paste of poppy seeds and mustard seeds. These two ingredients give this dish the signature nutty and a slightly sharp flavor. My in law's help was kindly explaining everything very sweetly to me, each step, every little detail. We even candidly asked her to start her own YouTube channel. She shyly declined the whole offer, but she was really kind to teach me everything. On the next side, we will add turmeric to this poppy seed paste, and in yogurt, we'll add a little bit of sugar. Add this paste to the hot mustard oil and nigella seed along with green chili. Oh my god!
Lights, camera.
Once the gravy starts to boil, we'll add fish and cook for a minute or two and then garnish with green coriander. After food, we enjoyed Nolan Good ice cream. It is so good. I had it at 6 Baliganj Place when I was in Kolkata last. Next day, we started with the pandal hopping early at 10 am, and the first one was this terracotta themed pandal. It was scorching hot that day, but nothing could stop us. Our next pandal was also a pottery themed with green net fabric kind of a decor. I really loved the statues. This particular pandal was themed around some war theme, I guess, with incredible details. But I was most intrigued by these statues of these ladies standing around goddess. Let me know if you have visited this pandal and what it is all about. I know a lot of you watch me from Kolkata. This pandal was made on theme of Jagannath temple, if I am not wrong, and all the details was again very intricate. Could not capture much because there was not a lot of lighting inside the pandal. Oh my god, this pandal was so intricate. Like every detail was made out of thin strips of bamboo and it was humongous. I can only imagine how much time it must have taken for the craftsmen to make all these. This next pandal was my second favorite and it depicted the eastern rural India living in such detail. My god, it almost felt real. Like the paintings on the wall, the different bags of grains kept outside, everything was so well thought. This next one was Deshopriya Park, I guess so, and it was very beautiful from inside. But to reach this pandal midday was not a pleasant experience. It was so hot, and the pandal was far off from the main gate. This was somewhat like Sheesh Mahal, and all the details were in mirrors, and you can enjoy this particular pandal only during the night time. It was time to head back home. As the festivities came to an end, so did the festival. The final goodbye to Durga Ma was marked with Dhunuchi dance and Sindoor Khela, and an emotional immersion of the idol. It always feels like bittersweet farewell, but with a hope of her return next year. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please consider subscribing to the channel and liking this video. I'll see you next time in Mumbai with all the Diwali prep. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.